Hoodwire TV.
Don't think that this shit is all this here. Because you gonna sell dope, make money, you better be ready to get in the back of that police car because they coming.
Yes. You know what comes with that.
At the same time, it's also that don't think that this shit is all luxury and there's no hardship. See what I'm saying? Because now, now think about this. My culture, and I say my culture, I don't say my gang, because as a blood, I'm something else other than being just a gang member, being a part of a gang. I don't even consider myself to be a part of a gang at 53 years old. I consider myself to be my culture. As a blood, homie, I say as a blood, now I have to represent the best of it, not the worst of it. I go into the community. I'm somebody that in the streets, I have equity in the streets because in the community, I'm not there to do wrong. I'm there to do right. I've done so much wrong and so much harm that I am accountable for that. By me being that and through that, you know what I'm saying? I demonstrate a certain way. I speak a certain way. I practice life a certain way, right? Now, those that look up to me, there's a lot of them that gradually change and they start to take on those, not my ways, but those type of ways. Because after you go to prison so much, you're going to get tired of it. I said, you know what I used to tell people when I started going to prison so much? I said, man, I should have went to McDonald's and got a job back when I did my first prison trip. By now, I could have worked my way up to the manager and maybe had a franchise by now. You see what I'm saying?
It's like getting wages in the streets when you hustle.
Like what you said about change, for those of us that are homies, that are OGs, for those of us that set trends, for those of us that set the lifestyle for this here, what we need to be doing is we got to lead by example and start leading our people out of the lifestyle of this and showing them something better. Ain't nothing wrong with going to work, working 8 hours a day, 40 hours a week. Because if you go to prison, your ass gonna work 8 hours a day, 40 hours a week for 8 cents an hour. You see what I'm saying? So we have to lead by example. To me, I don't glorify the worst of this. I try to always give examples of the hardship. Because I'm somebody, homie, I've been to more than 300 funerals. You know what I'm saying? I just went to a funeral today. You see what I'm saying? At the same time, I give a great understanding of this here because I want people to understand the reality. As a blood, homie, I'm still attached.
Hit the notification bell.
I tell my young
like
homies, I'm still
to our
affiliated.
content at Hoodwire TV on YouTube.